Hey, this is Shivanjali from MEL, Assistant Professor, UGC NET Qualified Researcher. I am going to start the series of video lectures on organizational behavior. I have prepared the lecture based on academic syllabus of DAVV, AKTU University, Delhi University, IGNOU, ICFAI for BBA, MBA, BCOM, MCOM and UGC applicant. Here we are going to learn the basic foundation of OB, organizational behavior. So total we have the 5 unit and lots of important topic we are going to cover in series. If you have the paper of organization behavior in your academic curriculum, then do subscribe this channel Management E-Learning with Shivanjali Singh and hit the bell icon. Here you will get the guarantee of best quality content with easy explanation and 100% chance of getting good marks. So book which I preferred